Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you what I'll be doing with this lattice that I got from Lowe's. I'm also going to be using this Velcro, and this Velcro is very strong. It holds up to 10 pounds. As you can see, I have my onlays already painted and ready to go. I am ready to start the embellishment, so we won't waste any more time. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, I am using the Swarovski crystals by Swarovski. Who else? Now, y'all know I went to Google and learned how to pronounce that and everything so I could be professional on my video. So I had to bring in this rhinestone chain. This one is a little bit thicker than the one that I'm usually used to working with. This one shines a little bit more. It does a little bit more work. It wants to be noticed, and you can definitely notice this chain. It's so pretty. The light just dances off of it, and just wait till all the embellishments are put on this onlay. It's beautiful, the change. And look at how this sparkles. And this is under minimal light, so imagine in the daytime when the sun hits it, how it's really gonna put on a show. Okay, and now it's time to add these Swarovski crystals to the mix. Y'all notice how I said that slow? I didn't want to mess up. And I'm using that Titebond glue. Like I said, you can really play around with this glue. You have time to actually move things around before it dries, because when it does dry, it dries clear and it does have a really firm hold. Just remember, if you're going to directly touch this glue, you want to wear a glove and protect your skin. Because we don't want you getting irritated because you watched one of my videos and decided to play in the glue. So please wear gloves when using this glue and watching this video that told you to use this glue. Now, with anything in life, if you really want something, you're willing to put in that time, and this is one of those projects where it's going to take a little bit of patience and time if you want it to turn out really pretty. But I promise you, it'll be so worth it once you see the end result. If this is your first time visiting, then welcome and subscribe. You just might find new purpose for old furniture and decor you think you don't want anymore. Tap that notifications bell for special delivery of all my future videos and tutorials straight to your inbox. Now, here in Maryland's House of DIY, we believe that every home can be beautiful on a budget, and we know how to make things look good with a little bit of hot glue and glitter. That's why our motto here is, why buy it when you can DIY it? Okay, so this is going to be the measurement for my television for the size frame that I'm going to be making for my TV. Okay, so y'all, this stuff is really strong. I accidentally cut it too short, and all I did was hot glue it back together, and look at this hold. And this stuff only cost about $2 or $3. Okay, so I don't know why I'm outlining the TV. Obviously, it's going around the TV frame. Okay, so your girl is working right here. I'm holding the camera, working. Holding the camera, working. That's why you only see one hand, but I'm getting it done. And y'all see how I made a couple of miscuts here. Thank God this glue works well with this lattice. So yeah, note to everybody, this works really good with hot glue. Thank God, or this video probably wouldn't have gotten made. Okay, so this is where we are. We got some tape in here, some staples, some glue, some hot glue, but we got it together. You live and you learn. Okay, so to add these onlays to the frame, you want to cut those Velcro strips real skinny enough to where you don't see them when you stick them to the frame. That way you can easily pull them off, put them back on again. You can actually put them on there permanent if you want. Okay, so you just want to stick this to the frame. With this Velcro, you don't have to really press down hard because it's very catchy, so it will catch and hold. I actually used Titebond later on because I decided to leave it permanent. You can leave yours detachable if you want. It just depends on your preference. And I am 12 years old again. Look at how pretty that, yes, look at the bling. Look at the pretty bling. It's so pretty. Look at the shine. So guys, let me know what you think about this project down below. Is this something that you think you'll attempt? Let me know in the comments. I really enjoyed making this. Love to know what you guys think. Okay, so really quick, hold on one second. I'm gonna let you go, but you want to go ahead and subscribe, and the reason you want to subscribe is because from time to time I do give away my DIYs since I have limited space. So if you want to be considered for a free DIY, go ahead and subscribe so I can see you and I can pick you. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.